think I missed the turnoff for La Lobera. It was just like a big dirt patch. Oh, I could have turned around there. There we go. To La Lobera. Ugh. Gonna do some drone shots. Do 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 do. Woohoo! The rest of this looks pretty nice. Really pretty out here. But man, Baja is so. I've probably said this like 6 times now, but Baja is so beautiful in the winter. Nobody comes here because it's cold. It's definitely cold, but it's green. The question of the day is, do they have cerveza? Because it's beer o'clock. I am thirsty and tired from the hot Mexican sun. Me amo Benjamin. ¿Dónde está el mame? Whoa, what's that? Wow! Okay. This is cool. Oh man, Baja in low season is the best. It's probably sweltering hot here in the summer, and there's not a single person here. I have it all to myself. Oh, it's a sea lion! Oh, cool. There's a little sea lion on the little beach cave. Oh, there's another one. Wow. So sick. Hi, sea lion. Crazy waves. See this? Damn. All that fanfare at the Bufadora. This is way cooler. This is easily twice as cool as the Bufadora, and definitely no one comes here because it's only dirt roads and there's no turismo. Check out another incredible Mexican sunset at the brightest pink hotel you've ever seen in your life. Literally everything is fluorescent pink, including the water pump. Time to go find some coffee. Stayed in El Rosario last night. The sleepy little river valley town. It's kind of nice. So today I will drive to Bahia de Los Angeles. Gracias. My friend Michael was actually supposed to meet me maybe here yesterday if he could make it, but he disappeared. So he hasn't been online since we talked yesterday afternoon. So I hope he's not laying in a ditch somewhere. If you're thinking about coming to Baja in December or January, one thing I was going to say, keep in mind, it gets pretty cold. Clothes didn't quite dry last night. Ugh. Guess those are getting strapped to the back. Look at that dirty girl. We've had some fun, haven't we? We need to get a name for this thing. Still don't have a name. Packing. So much to pack. I think adventure touring is as much about packing as it is about riding sometimes. Maybe that'll help. There you go. Gracias. Definitely worth checking out. This is excellent. This is just so crazy. Wow. This place is crazy. Loco. Check out the inside here. Little fire pit. Yeah, just an abandoned geodome in the middle of nowhere. I've been getting absolutely poured on for the last like 2 hours. And the roads are pretty bad. That was gnarly. But found a dry spot, got those drone shots. Man, this is just unreal. This is so great. I'm so glad I came over here. Okay, off we go. Gracias, mi amigo. Not bad, folks. Once I don't run out of gas.
Does that happen a lot? Oh man, I got so lucky on that one. Alright, fill her up. Magna.